Uh-huh.
What is that?
A horse.
That's a cow.
A cow.
And what's that?
That's a cat. That's grass.
What is that?
A horse.
And what's that?
It's a deer.
Okay. What's that?
It's a baby.
That's a what?
That's a pig.
And what's that?
That's a baby pig.
Okay. What's that?
That's a sheep.
And what's this?
That's a sheep baby.
Okay. What's that?
That's a bird.
What kind of bird?
You see blue bird?
What is this?
That's blue.
A duck.
A duck.
And what's that?
That's a baby. A duck. Baby duck.
There you go. Good.